Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to take you with me on a antique shopping trip that I took with my daughters. And I'm just going to show you a few things that I saw while I was there. So if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Now let's get right into this and let me show you what I saw. Now, to begin with, I absolutely love these little salt, I don't know, do you call them little salt vessels? I'm not sure, but I just thought these were so neat. It was $24. Now, it said for a set of 4, but there's obviously 5 there. But I really love those. They remind me of my grandparents. They used to have some of these that were just so pretty that they brought from England. And I just love those. Now, here's some of the other glass items I found, and I love looking at the different glass and dishes, and you just find it from all over the world. I just love this type of stuff. But I do show you some other things, like look at this really old football. I don't know why I was drawn to this, but for some reason I just thought this was kind of neat. Just it looks like it's had so much playtime to it and very well loved. It'd be so neat if you could just hold something like that and actually see, passings and people using it. I don't know. I just love that kind of stuff. And these snowshoes, these were 145. How great are those? I've never tried snowshoes, but that would be so much fun to just try. I don't know. And I love the slot machine, a 5-cent slot machine. I did not see a price tag on this, but look how neat that is. Really love that. Then over here, I love this like brass. I don't know if this is a plant holder or what, but I love the lion head handle on it. And then there was this Tootsie truck for $18.50. I love how all the trucks and toys were made out of metal and everything back then. And look at this. Here is a mandolin I saw, and this was $89. Just something different, something fun. And I just laugh at when I see these old clothespins and stuff. When I was a kid, we all hung our clothes up on clotheslines. And here's a brass shoehorn. This was $30. They had tons of teacups, and you guys know I love looking at teacups. I was seeing several different teacups here, anywhere from about $24 on down to, I think the least expensive was probably $10 I saw there. And look at this great cherry pie plate or cherry pie carrier. I love this, so pretty. I almost got that. I was holding myself back because I have been spending so much money lately because I think a lot of you know that I'm about to be a grandma, and so I've been buying so much baby stuff lately. Now, look how pretty the Swan Bowl was for $29. Love that. It almost came home with me. You guys know I love my swans. And this I just thought was great. She was $67. How adorable is she? Just so many fun things. It's kind of sad when I go to these antique shops and I see so much of my childhood or history at these. It's just funny. Or, where my kids are like, what is this? And I'm actually telling them because I've used something before. So just made me laugh. I did get some children's books, some old antique children's books, which I don't know if they're really antique, but they were old books and I loved them. Now here's a little Mary Had a Little Lamb going to the schoolhouse. I used to have some of those type of cutouts on my son's walls. Obviously not the Mary Had a Little Lamb ones. We used to have the clown ones, which I know everybody hates clowns nowadays, but my eldest son, I decorated his room in clowns. And look at this amazing ship wheel coffee table. Loved this. This was so neat and so different. And I think I take you in here and show you the price tag. This was just under $600 for this coffee table. Really, really neat here. Yeah, it was $5.95. And you can see I did look at quite a few of the toys and stuff like that because I just love the stuff. And as I'm going to be a first-time grandma, I was just drawn to all the toy stuff. Look how cute this little rocking horse was. And he was $49. Love that. Just adorable. And here's an old Time magazine. These were running about $6. And I love these old pictures. I don't know, it always makes me a little sad. You know, if you go antique shopping, you're always going to see people's pictures. As someone who absolutely adores doing genealogy, I love everything dealing with genealogy. I always look at this stuff and think, these are somebody's family. People would love to have these if they knew who they were. And look at this great ice chest I found. Love this. For $350, this was a beautiful ice chest. Just wonderful. My uncle still has a gorgeous ice chest in his kitchen. He has a very antique home, and he keeps one of these still today in his kitchen. Love this. This is just great. And this stuff was gorgeous. I love golds. This, oh my goodness. I love this. I don't know anything about this type of stuff, but I just love these gold dishes. Gorgeous. And those marble horse head bookends, those, I had them in my hand. They almost came home with me. If it wasn't for the fact that I've been buying so much baby stuff right now, those definitely would have came home with me. I hope you've enjoyed this real quick trip to the antique store with me. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.